5 heart-healthy lunch ideas. If you're looking for a way to create more heart-healthy lunches, there's good news. Being heart-smart and enjoying delicious foods go hand in hand. As an added benefit, you'll feel and look great too. Here are 5 ideas for your heart-healthy lunches. 1. Spinach salad with chicken and blueberries. Instead of a heavy lunch, try a wonderfully filling entrée salad. While you can use any type of lettuce in your salad and still be heart-smart, consider using spinach as your main greenery. Nutrient-rich spinach is high in folate and is proven to prevent heart attacks. Add your favorite vegetables and a lean protein like a skinless chicken breast. Top with slivered almonds or walnuts and blueberries. Almonds and walnuts control blood lipids, while blueberries are full of antioxidants, all of which are important to your heart health. 2. Roasted veggie wrap sandwich. Take a whole wheat tortilla and fill it with cooked brown rice and roasted vegetables. Season with salt and pepper and add a little light dressing of your choice. Roasted vegetables like sweet red peppers, asparagus and broccoli are great choices. Red peppers have plenty of antioxidants and folic acid to promote heart health. Asparagus is rich in potassium, folic acid and soluble fiber, all of which are good for your heart. Broccoli packs a lot of nutrition and also is high in sulforaphane, which can help prevent clogged arteries. The addition of brown rice can help reduce the risk of high blood pressure, so eat up. 3. Grilled or poached salmon. You can't go wrong with salmon. It's rich in omega-3s, which can dramatically reduce the risk of heart attack when eaten regularly. You can grill or poach salmon and serve it with a nice fruit salsa. Add a colorful green salad on the side and you've got yourself a delicious lunch. Is this video being helpful? Then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. 4. Tuna salad sandwich. While tuna is not as rich in omega-3s as salmon, it is still a very important source. Make your salad with yogurt instead of mayonnaise, mustard and finely chopped celery. Use whole wheat bread to boost your daily whole grain servings, which can help prevent heart attack. Top your sandwich with sliced tomatoes, which can help regulate blood lipids. 5. Veggie chili. A classic comfort food, when made with vegetable ingredients, chili is a very heart-healthy lunch. Kidney beans are low in fat, high in soluble fiber and have omega-3 fatty acids. Use fresh tomatoes to make your sauce and load it up with vegetables. If you're ever unsure of what heart-healthy accompaniment can go with your lunch, you'll never go wrong with a vegetable plate with a yogurt-based dip. Load up with plenty of carrots, broccoli, tomatoes and any of your favorite vegetables. Overall, keep your meals simple. There's no need to worry about which vegetable has more health benefits than the other. Simply eating a variety of vegetables, whole grains and incorporating fish into your diet will place you on the road to a heart-healthy lifestyle. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.